It's that time of year again, guys. April 12th and April 13th, come on down for our spring demo event where you can try out all of the latest and greatest 2019 Indian models dressed up in all of the hottest accessories. We're also going to have great deals on all of our in-stock accessories and apparel. And if you already own an Indian, bring your friend on down. If they end up picking up a motorcycle that weekend, we'll give you a $200 gift card. Look forward to seeing you guys. Have a great day.